This needs to be in a restaurant.
I think I'm about to hit the roof. We normally get these in one take, maybe two. We're at like 16 now. Lot to say, let's speed it up. We're making a burger, elevated, elegant, sophisticated. Last burger we made was the Cowboy Delicious because I wanted that, but today I want something a little bit more sophisticated and crazy. Kirsten's troublesome. She's hard to cook for. She's always bitching that she doesn't like it before we eat it, and then she tries it, and then she tells me she likes it. So I come back and say, hey, why not just not gripe about it until you try it? I didn't tell her what I was making this time, so she's finding out, well, like for the third time right now, because I just told her a minute ago. So the burger, simple burger, ground beef, and some Italian sausage. I'm going to mix it together. The sausage is just a binder. I won't use a lot of that. Some brioche buns. I'm going to make my ordinary, garlic, herb, butter, and then I'm going to toast those off. Boom, that's done. I'm using this stupid burger press thing. I don't use it very often, but it's good at making like precisely shaped burgers. And look at that. I mean, come on. Mm-hmm. That fits perfect. So here's the kicker, though. This is what makes it elegant. I've got arugula in the fridge. I wanted to keep it refrigerated, but that's that peppery note that you get on top. Great. I'm using brie. So I spent 2 hours last night sitting on the couch trying to figure out a way to make Stinky Pants over here like it, and I can still do a sweet and savory. Sweet and savory your favorite?
No.
You don't love sweet and savory? You've
No.
never told me I'm not a sweet and savory girl?
No.
Okay. So obviously berries and brie. That's the thing. Everybody loves that. So I got to find a way to make some sort of sauce with berries that she won't have a shit fit and I still get to enjoy. I'm doing a spicy blueberry barbecue sauce. So it's sweet and spicy. I got blueberries. I got a full chopped up jalapeno right here. A few tablespoons of ketchup, a few of honey, a little bit of Worcestershire, red wine vinegar here. That's quarter cup-ish, maybe half cup. Minced garlic, and then a tablespoon of chili powder and about not quite a teaspoon of kosher. So what we'll do is we'll make the burgers, rest them in the fridge, pop them onto the grill. I'm going to hit them with some smoke for probably 30 minutes or more before I actually cook them off, just to get a little bit of, smoke in the burger. I'm not stopping this one for a burp. So to get a little smoke in the burger, and then I'll crank them up. That's when I'm going to do the whole flip, melt brie, bacon goes on top with some of this crazy jammy barbecue sauce on it, salty arugula, and the bun's going to have like its own addition to it. So everything is going to have this like pungent flavor, but it's all going to come together in one cohesive sandwich. Are you excited? Be honest. Be honest. I was going to do a peanut butter burger. Would you have had a shit fit over that one?
Oh, gross. Yeah, I'd rather have this. It could be good. It has potential.
Potential. Just wait, because we're gonna get a video of her, and she's gonna look like Wimpy.
Yeah, we'll see.
You can pay me tomorrow for a burger today.
All right, are we getting started?
Burger patties, and we're gonna pop them into the freezer just for a little bit. We're not freezing them. We just want them to kind of take their shape and become a little bit more solid. And then I'm gonna fire up the smoker and get on the next step. But for now, it's break time. burgers took on quite a bit of smoke on the smoker out there. I think they were on for about 35 minutes, and they're probing right now internal about 125 degrees. They held their shape. They still have a little bump because I haven't grilled them yet, but that'll probably come out. When I grill them, don't care if it doesn't. And then my freaking berry barbecue sauce. Check this thing out. It's almost cooked down all the way. So good. I tried it a handful of times. I did add a couple of tablespoons of brown sugar just because there was so much heat to it. Gosh, that's delicious. And over here, buns are ready to go in when it's time. And bacon is in cooking right now. So, whoa.
Fogged up.
So, next thing, I've got the grill set to 500 right now, so I'm warming it up. These babies are gonna go back on the grill for a quick sear. Bam, shh, bam. And then brie on the top, melt down, come in, move these bad boys over here, clean our surface because I don't want to get any meat juices on this cutting board. And I don't want to get that red stuff on it and stain it. Build the burgers on here, you try a bite, you thank me, I say it's okay, I'll make one every week.
Oh my heck, it does smell quite amazing. Oh. Oh wow. Oh, honey. I hate to say that you were right because it annoys me, but holy shiz. So good.
Swear to God.
I don't like to swear to God, but okay, first of all, the smoke, the bacon, the sauce, like the bun you did, the arugula, like heaven, perfection. Like this needs to be in a restaurant.
Probably is.
Oh my gosh, honey.
Told you.
Wow.
Next time you gonna yap?
Probably.
Well, today we're doing something that's elevated, it's elegant, it's sexy, and it's gonna piss my wife's. Oh shit. We on again now?
We're on.
I don't know how many times we're gonna try this. We know.